anyone ever tell you to eat your vegetables? That's a good thing. Most of us don't eat enough vegetables or fruits in our diet. But another unfortunate thing is that fruits and vegetables in some cases have been linked to foodborne illness outbreaks. But there are some things that we can do to help lower our risk of foodborne illness. Wash your hands for at least 20 seconds. You can sing happy birthday a couple of times. Rinse fresh produce in plenty of cool running water, but don't use soap. If the package says ready to eat or triple rinsed, it's safe to consume out of the bag. Avoid cross-contamination by dedicating a cutting board to fresh produce, wash it thoroughly, and sanitize it between uses. Today we're making a delicious fruit, cheese, and nut salad. We begin with 3 cups of mixed greens, some thinly sliced apples. I have 1 apple. You can choose your favorite apple. And I've also dipped them in orange juice, but you could use a dilute lemon juice if you'd like. The more color you add to the diet, the better. A 1/2 cup of sliced grapes. You can use green or red if you'd like. Next up, I have a 1/4 cup of nuts. I'm using walnuts, but you can use your favorite nut or leave them out if there are nut allergies. And we'll top it off with an 1/8 cup of feta. Feta cheese adds calcium and a little extra flavor. I will toss this delicious salad together. Your guests are going to love this. You can add your salad dressing at this point, or you can allow your guests or family to add as much as they'd like. And here's a delicious, beautiful salad with 4 major food groups. This is Dr. Julie bringing you from Field to Fork. Until next time.